The gossip is live! Wait Emeka, this video is for you. Do you want to earn real money while doing what you love most? Engaging, commenting and doing all sort of stuff, liking and retweeting. This one does in any social media. It's inside Web3 and where you can earn through cryptocurrency. You know it's going to be massive, you know. So I give to you Zealy. Yes, Zealy. Zealy is a gateway for fun challenge that can pay you back with cash and money. So imagine turning simple tasks into cash, making engagement and turning it to real money. Actually, this Zealy is like a contest where participants participate and do tasks. So when you get to the leaderboard, you are being paid according to your rank in the leaderboard. So Emeka, are you ready to turn your engagement to real money? You watch this video. Let's begin by setting up the account. First of all, you have to go to zealy.io or you search Zealy in your Chrome and it will pop up like this. So what next you have to do is to click on that zealy.io. Then this will appear, this platform will appear. For what you have to do, you have account with Zealy already, you have to log in, but you don't have an account, you have to do what? Create an account. So that's what we are going to do. So you will want to go here and this dialog will appear. So what you have to do is create an account. Click on create an account, and this will appear. So if you love to create with an account you already had, or sorry, you want to create a new account, you have to input your email. Put an email you know the password and you trust the email with, that you can leave this account too. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put my own email. So now I've input my email. So what you have to do is continue with the email. Click continue with the email. Emeka, click continue with the email. Emeka will still come and ask me a question. That is why I call Emeka name. So now you have to get your code. You have to go to the email and go and check for the, they have sent it to your email. So that's what we are going to do now. I'll get to my email. This is my email. So this is it. Look at it here. Emeka, have you seen it?
Actually.
Okay. So I click that email. Okay, there is the code. So I now copy the code. Press the code. It will then click copy. They will now go back to the site. And input our code. Papa, and it's done. Set your username. I will try. Okay, let me use Web3 gossip. Since I'm the only one that answers that. The only gossip of Web3. So what you have to do, you have to input only numerical. So I added space to my own, so that's why they said that. So username must only contain alpha numeric characters, period and underscores. So I'm going to do this. Since the space is not among, I have to do this. Can see that. So definitely I'm the only gossip of Web3. So I'm so proud of this. So let's move to the next step. Get started with Zealy. Welcome. Thank you. So Emeka, do the same step and create your own Zealy account. Very simple and orderly. So I'll get started immediately. Now I've created my Zealy account. What else can someone ask for? So I've created my account, so I have to take some tons of activities, some communities. These are communities that are here, new communities, so they can join them here and do some tasks. But the main tasks I'm going to send for, because most of these tasks are very cumbersome, so I will I do keep to give some tasks that pays well in my group. So you're going to check out my group. Go to my bio, check my bio. My group link is there. My WhatsApp group link is there. Click it and join my community, and then we begin. So Emeka, go and click my community link and join my community right now, so I can show you the projects that are giving massive money when you do tasks, so I can earn better. Because most of the tasks here, you do more tasks and you are not paid well. So this is not actually what concerns us now. I want us to do the tasks that I've brought up in my community that will give people a lot of money. So let's go and use that one project. So what you want to do is, now you go to my community and join the Zealy contest group. Now what you have to do, you are going to look for this project. I dropped it earlier. It will take me automatically to the platform, and what I have to do is you join. Emeka, listen, no. You not come and ask me no question, I will answer. Emeka, listen, look at this step by step. Okay? So you join Leica layer 2 project. Then we begin the task to earn money. So first of all, you want to check the leaderboard. I'm going to show you how to do that. If you want to check the amount of money they are going to pay, I'm going to show you how to do that here in this video. So you are going to do it right now. So what you want to do right now is to do what? You click these 3 lines, right? Now look at here, we have the leaderboard. This is where you look at people that are topping you if you are not serious, people that are below you if you are serious, and people that are in the middle if you are serious or you are kind of lukewarm. You do and stop, push and start. So let's do that. Click on the leaderboard, and we want to check all time. All time is like people have done for a month, weeks. So we are going to take the sprints. People are doing it actively, which is sprint. Click on sprint. Okay, look at it there. Look at them. So these are the people that are doing well. 9,000 points, 6,000 points, and that with this number shows their standing in the competition or the contest. So now we are going to check the amount of money they're going to give for each ranking. So you are going to do what? You want to click here to check that icon there. You can see first to 10 position place 150 USDT in, oh my god, that's massive, baby. 11 to 30 place $100 USDT US dollars in Leica. They're going to pay in Leica token. Then dates 31st to 50 place $75 US in Leica. Then 51st to 100 place is $50 USD in Leica token. What can someone ask more than that? This is massive, baby. So this project is a hit. So let's go back and try one task, because that's what I promised you guys. So we now go back to the task. This general task here. There are tons of tasks here to do to earn your points. So let's begin with one. But first of all, before you begin the task, they will not allow you to do any task if you don't connect your Discord account and your Twitter account. So what I want you to do now is to go and get, before you begin this, you have to get your Discord account, your Telegram account, all the social media you have, okay, including LinkedIn. But the main account you will need here is Discord and Twitter, and equally your email account Very important, because without that one self you won't be able to access Zealy. So we are going to check that too. So to do that, you wanna come back here to these 3 lines. Okay, I click the 3 lines. Okay, you now go, you want to go to these 3 dots here. Okay, click that 3 dots, then click on profile, or should I say, yes, was it profile? I think it's not profile. I think it should be this account settings. So we now move to account settings. Okay, and you want to click these 3 lines again. So yeah, you can add your picture, your avatar that you want to use, the Cartoon Network picture you want to use over here in this avatar box. You see here. So when we go to the business, you click 3 lines. Then you want to click linked account. Okay, so click link account, and to show us this. So what you have to do now is to go create your Discord account. After creating your Discord account, you come here, you press connect Discord, your Discord. So now take you to your Discord. But my Discord is already connected to another account, so I'm going to do this. Mine was already connected to another account, so all you have to do is just authorize the Discord, and then boom, they now join their iterating to this to. So they're trying to tell me that the Discord account is already connected to another account. So what you have to do is to create your own new Discord account and connect it to your new account. Then the same thing with your Twitter. Create a Twitter account, connect your Twitter, it will connect automatically. So let me connect Twitter. I think I have a new account with that. So let me try connecting Twitter. So connect Twitter. Okay, I'm going to use since you're going to use your Chrome, I think you should try logging in to your Chrome that first before you now authorize it. So what you have to do is now authorize it. But this account is already connected to another account, so I think you see that. So that's what you have to do now. After you have connected that, then you are good to go. You can come and connect your, well, very important, you have to connect your wallet. Connect your wallet. That is where you are going to pay you. So you connect your wallet. That's the medium I'm going to use to pay you. Cryptocurrency, very important. So you connect your wallet. So you choose any wallet that you have, but mostly I prefer you use either MetaMask or use Trust Wallet. So you connect your wallet. I think that shouldn't be hard for anybody now. So we move. Emeka, that should not be hard for you now. So I taught you how to connect wallet.
But I can just call you.
Okay, so let's move. So now let's begin. Let me show you how to do your first task, or how to do your task.